Now, if affiliate marketing feels confusing or overwhelming, it may not be because you lack information, but because you have not yet aligned your business with who you are. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets. I'm Richard Fontanie, and this is the podcast where we break down affiliate marketing in clear, practical language for everyday people who are building businesses from home. Now, if you are just getting started or feeling stuck, today's episode may change the way you think about niche selection entirely. Now, before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to this podcast. It helps you stay connected to future episodes and supports others in learning to build sustainable online income. Now, we offer 3 podcasts per week, each following a consistent theme. Mondays feature a Christian and universal approach. Wednesdays cover the traditional workplace. And Fridays focus on the digital world, just like this one. We also have free articles that concentrate both on the traditional and digital workplaces based on the same theme. Join us on the podcast that fits your interests and intent. Now, let's move on. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is choosing a niche based solely on trends or hype or income claims. They hear that a niche is profitable and jump on it quickly, and then wonder why their motivation fades. What is often missing is self-awareness. Affiliate marketing is not just a technical model. It is a personal one. You bring yourself into the business every day. Self-awareness means understanding your interests, understanding your strengths and limitations and values, and working style. Now, when these are ignored, even a profitable niche can feel exhausting. When they are honored, the business becomes more sustainable and enjoyable. Now, here are 7 strategies to help you develop self-awareness so that you can determine whether an affiliate marketing niche is for you. Now, the first strategy is clarifying your genuine interests. Affiliate marketing requires ongoing content creation, learning, and communication. Ask yourself which topics you naturally return to in conversation or in research. Now, here's a story about a home-based entrepreneur who chose a health niche solely for profit, and despite having no interest in it. Now, her coach suggested she move to a personal development niche, more aligned with her values. And after months of resistance, she pivoted to that niche. And the result was that she genuinely enjoyed it. And her consistency improved immediately. The second strategy is understanding your strengths. Now, some people love teaching. Others enjoy reviewing products. Well, some thrive in writing, while others prefer video or audio. Now, self-awareness helps you choose a niche that fits how you naturally communicate. Now, for instance, an introverted affiliate who preferred writing struggled with live video marketing. So he leaned into blogging and email, where his confidence grew and results followed. The second strategy is recognizing your limitations. This is not about self-doubt, but about honesty. It's about time, energy, technical skill, and life responsibilities, and they all matter. A parent building an affiliate business from home may not have the bandwidth to post daily on social media. Choosing a niche and platform that fits available capacity prevents burnout and frustration. The fourth strategy is identifying your values. Now, values shape what feels meaningful. If freedom and flexibility matter most, a niche requiring constant real-time engagement may feel restrictive. If impact and service matter deeply, purely transactional niches may feel hollow. One affiliate marketer realized that helping beginners align with her desire to serve gave her content purpose and beyond any kind of commissions that she received. The fifth strategy is understanding your motivation. Now ask yourself why you want to build an affiliate business. Is it income, flexibility, creativity, or contribution? Motivation influences your persistence. For instance, a retiree building an affiliate site for supplemental income could approach growth patiently and steadily. In contrast, a young professional seeking rapid income requires a different strategy and a different pacing. Self-awareness helps set realistic expectations, and these are critically important for us. The sixth strategy is matching niche complexity to experience level. Now, beginners often choose niches that are too complex or competitive. Self-awareness allows you to start where you are, not where someone else claims to be. A beginner who began with a narrow sub-niche learns faster, builds confidence, and can expand later. Growth is more sustainable when it matches skill level. The seventh strategy is committing to experimentation with reflection. Now, self-aware entrepreneurs treat early efforts as learning and not failure. When you try content that others want and reflect on what feelings align, they really accelerate progress. One home business, before discovering podcasting, felt natural and energizing, leading to consistent output. Now, it's essential to recognize that working from home blurs boundaries between business and personal life. So when your niche fits who you are, the work feels integrated rather than intrusive. When it does not, resistance shows up as procrastination, inconsistency, or self-doubt. Now, these show up not as character flaws, but as cautionary signals for you to do something different. Affiliate marketing success rarely comes from forcing yourself into someone else's model. And that's a critical, important piece to remember. It comes from aligning the model with you. Self-awareness does not replace strategy, but it makes strategy work better. Now, as we close, here's a practical next step action plan. First, write down 3 topics you enjoy learning, something that you want to learn and discuss. Second, list your preferred way of communicating. And third, note your current time and energy limits. And fourth, choose a niche that fits all 3, even if it feels smaller or slower at first. You know, progress compounds when you align with who you are. And if you are starting out, remember this. You do not need to have everything figured out at the beginning. You need clarity, patience, and willingness to learn. Affiliate marketing is not a race. It's a process. So remember, when you know yourself, the path forward becomes clearer. I invite you to subscribe, like, and share this with a friend. And thank you for doing so. Now, our next Affiliate Marketing Secrets podcast will focus on the importance of mindset. I hope you can join us. And thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next Friday, if not before. I'm Richard Fontanie signing off. Bye now.